Meet the magnificent fighter fish, also known as Betta splendens. Their vibrant colors and flowing fins make them a true underwater spectacle. Welcome back, fish enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of fighter fish. Did you know fighter fish are not your average fish? They are labyrinth breathers, which means they can take gulps of air from the surface, allowing them to survive in low oxygen environments. But here's the real showstopper. Male fighter fish are known for their territorial behavior. When threatened or provoked, they flare up their magnificent fins, displaying an intimidating and mesmerizing dance. And guess what? These captivating creatures are relatively easy to care for, making them a perfect choice for both novice and experienced fish keepers. So, if you're looking for a splash of beauty and a dash of excitement in your aquarium, the fighter fish might just be the perfect addition. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay hooked for more amazing fishy content. See you next time.